Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to change keyboard in your Android phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom, then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. After that scroll all the way down, then go to general management. From here go to keyboard list and default, and then go to default keyboard. Now you can see there are two keyboards in my phone. One is Samsung keyboard, which is built-in keyboard in my phone, and another is Redmi keyboard, which is a third-party keyboard apps. Now from here you can choose any keyboard as you want. If you want to set Samsung keyboard, then just select it and it's done. Now if I open keyboard, and you can see in my phone keyboard has been changed successfully. You can also download any third-party keyboard apps from Google Play Store. And that is how you can change keyboard in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.